Hi guys, it's Line from Hobby, and in this video I will share my favorite Eastern patterns. They are all free, they are all crocheted, and they are just in time for you to start decorating your homes. There will be small decorations like Easter eggs, medium-sized decorations like Easter baskets and small figures. And for those of you who just want it all, I got two very special patterns that includes both eggs, baskets and figures. So regardless of what kind of pattern you fancy the most, make sure to go to the description box because there's a link that will take you straight to the written patterns. So the first category I would like to show you are Easter eggs in different shapes and sizes. In this next category, we size up just a little bit with some medium-sized projects like baskets and small figures. As a final addition to this last category, I got two all-in-one patterns. So the first pattern is designed by Marianne Vandelier, which is one of our Hobby Friends designers. And this guy is called Hermod the Bunny, and he's made in a rainbow 8/4 cotton yarn. And for the eggs in the basket we used a tweed yarn. Last but not least, we have Lily the Lamb. She is designed by Lemon Yarns, which is one of our newest To Be Friends designers. And she's actually made in a mix of our Rainbow 8/8 cotton yarn and our Baby Snuggle. And this pattern is just perfect if you want to try out stuff like basket weave stitches and puff stitches. Okay guys, that was all I had for you today. I hope you got excited about Easter. I know that I did. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This way you get a little ping every time we post something new or go live. So that was all. Bye!